how to create email folder in Outlook Mobile. So if you want to create email folder in Outlook Mobile, then what you need to do is first go ahead and open the Outlook application on your device and make sure that you are signed into your account in which you want to make changes. If not, then go ahead and sign yourself into the account in which you want to make some changes. Once signed in, tap on the mail that you want to make folder of. And on the bottom of your screen or on the top of your screen, you'll see various options. After that, go with the three dots which is on the top right and then tap on move to folder. And you need to select the folder in which you would like to move your conversation. Or if you don't have a folder and if you want to create a new folder, then you can go with the top right which has that plus icon in order to create a new folder. Now enter a folder name and then tap on create and move. And the conversation will be moved to that new folder. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.